Welcome to this demo of the IHS Automotive WhoSuppliesWhom database. IHS Automotive's WhoSuppliesWhom database identifies key suppliers for components, modules, and systems to European and North American light vehicle models and platforms. With intuitive and flexible query building, the database can be searched by geography, OEM, brand, model, sector component, and supplier. OEMs, suppliers, and the financial community use the database to mitigate risk and identify and evaluate new suppliers. In addition, our data is sourced directly from suppliers, so you can be confident in its accuracy. The home screen is divided into three areas. The left-hand menus provide a list of those concepts captured in the database and on which one can build a query. The horizontal menu at the top of the screen provides the tools to manipulate the results and navigate between the home screen, data preview, and output, as well as providing a link to the user guide. The main area of the screen is populated with thumbnail images for the vehicles in the database, providing the ability to shortcut directly to the data on any specific model. By clicking directly on a vehicle thumbnail, I can access a predefined query which displays the results of that particular vehicle. On the left-hand side in the Edit Report Filters menu bar, you will notice that an icon is displayed, showing that a filter has been automatically applied on model and variant. Let's conduct some analysis by applying our own query filters. Let's return to the home screen. Before applying our own query filters, we must first click on the icon at the top of the Edit Report Filters section to clear all previously applied filters. By using the options available in the left-hand menu bar, we can formulate specific queries based on individual criteria. Let's look at a query based on a particular type of component sector. To select a filter, click on the Edit button. For this example, let's select Exhaust and Aftertreatment and click Apply. We can now see two icons on either side of the Edit button. The left-hand icon indicates that a filter is applied, while the right-hand icon can be clicked on to remove the filter. Let's click on the Preview report and see the results. Over 2,600 components have been returned. Let's further filter the query to only display results from a particular geographic region. By clicking on the Preview Report button, I can now see that more than 1,500 manufacturers supply exhaust and aftertreatment components to vehicles manufactured in Western Europe. However, looking at this report, you may find that you don't need all the report fields that are displayed. By clicking on Select Report Fields, I can uncheck the fields that I do not wish to see. To display the results, click Preview Report. I can now view the output resulting from my query with only the relevant fields displayed. By scrolling down the list, I am able to see from these results that Ferruccia is listed as a supplier for several models. I would now like to see all the other vehicles for which Ferruccia is a component supplier. To do this, let's return to the home page. First, I'll again click on the Clear Filters icon. Next, I'll click Edit next to Supplier Name. From here I can type in the name of the supplier, click the Search button and see the results, select and then apply. I would also now like to see the production plant field in my results, in addition to the ones I had previously selected. I do this by entering the Select Report Fields section and checking the relevant box. Now when clicking on the Preview Report button, I am able to see that my results now include the fields for plant and only show those vehicles to which Ferruccia is a supplier. I can clearly see that Ferruccia supplies multiple components to a wide range of European vehicles. Let's return to the home page and build another query. I'll again remove all previously applied filters. Let's build a query containing all vehicles manufactured by the parent company Daimler and see the suppliers of electrical and electronic components. To do this, click the Edit button next to Parent Group, select Daimler and apply. From the Edit Report Filters menu, click on Component Type and select Electrical Electronic. Now by clicking Preview Report, I am able to view all electronic components contained in the database for Daimler vehicles and the company who supplies them. I can now export this data to Excel to further manipulate the information. In all, the WhoSuppliesWhom database identifies over 94,000 components, with new data added every month. The database can be purchased as an annual subscription or a one-time delivery, either as a complete dataset or by component or geographic area. Thank you for viewing this demo of IHS Automotive's WhoSuppliesWhom database. For more information, please visit IHS Automotive's dedicated supplier website, www.supplierbusiness.com.